When we say birds take flight from Nixalite, our customers agree. Here's one from Canada.
We have been fighting the pigeon problem here for at least 25 years. We have installed Nixalite, and I've watched it, and it seems to be very effective. I should clarify that and say it is effective. We've seen pigeons come flying up to it and looking at it, eyeballing it, and flying away.
The installation goes smoothly with excellent results.
I see a great potential for it. There's government agencies, buildings, all sorts of developers could use this product. And it, like I said before, it does work.